Hello mga Samistas, welcome to our exclusive interview. Right here beside me is Meet Sam Pinto. Good evening Sam, salamat sa pagbibigay ng oras sa amin dito sa interview na to. Di bale, unang tanong, kamusta ka naman?
Okay naman. May coughs and colds, pero okay naman.
Ano mga pinagkakabalahan mo simula nung lumabas ka ng bahay ni Kuya?
Oh my gosh. At paglabas ko, I did so many interviews. I think almost every day ata yun. And then after that, my first project after PBB, Your Song Presents Isla, is of course, Gerald Anderson, Sigardo Visosa, directed by Ruel Bayani. And now I'm doing Agimat, alias Paniki. Sorry, with Jay Cuenca.
With Jay Cuenca.
Hey!
Bale, ngayon, di ba, sikat ka na. So, magbalik tanaw naman tayo dun sa, at the age of 10 ka, naging commercial ad model, di ba? Paano ka napasok dun sa line na commercial model? Nung age of 10, paano ka
na-discover? I was in the mall, Glorieta. I was 10 years old buying French fries. And then the owner of my modeling agency, AdMate, she approached me. She asked me if I wanted to be a model. So ako, okay, try lang. So she gave me the calling card and I gave it to my mom. And she started texting for VTRs. Eh, ako naman ako pake, so go lang and go. And then, yeah, my first ever commercial, or print ad, was for Coke. Kaya, nakita niyo na ba yun?
Yung Coke, hindi ko pa nakita.
Kadiri, as in, meron pa akong gap teeth. Nasa sobrang nene.
Sa mga experience mo na magiging commercial ad, na-experience mo na ba na ma-reject
sa audition? Oh my gosh, sobrang dami. Before my first ever TVCs, sobrang daming VTRs talaga na hindi ko nakukuha.
Ano yung pinaka-worst na pinaka-masakit sa'yo na as in gusto mo talagang maging commercial ad nung product na yun, then hindi ka natanggap? Anong product yun?
Ano ba yun? Product? Clean and Clear.
Clean and Clear.
Oo. Tatlo na lang ata kami rin. And then, sobrang binay ko lahat ko. Tapos, alam ko na yung shooting dates. Kasi nung shooting dates na talaga, hindi pa rin ako tintext. Yun.
Okay. Sino namang commercial model na local and international na ina-idolize mo talaga?
Yun ang wala.
Wala. Sarili mo lang yun.
Idolize. Yun naman, kasi me, I'm the type of person na I don't really idolize. But I look up to them, pero hindi naman kasi I want my own thing. Kasi for me, baka I might copy them or something. Kasi ba? Oh, what's your name? Taylor
Swift?
No, not Taylor Swift. Yung commercial model ng Plains and Prince. Paula Taylor.
Paula Taylor.
She's really pretty.
Then ngayon, sasagutin natin yung mga questions na sa Mistas. This one question galing kay Kathleen Pimentel. If you have one wish to make, what would it be and why?
One wish to make. Grabe, ha? I wish I can fly. Wait.
Teleport? Or...
Pwede ba yun? Seriously, I wish I could fly.
Why?
Why? Because I wanna travel. I wanna get to places easily.
Okay.
Stupid.
Second question galing kay Yappy Yaps. During the Christmas ball of PBB Double Up Days, you requested Jason to sing The Man Who Can't Be Moved. As Jason was singing the song, you can't help but cry. What was on your mind during that time? Has there been anybody that you left before joining PBB Double Up and this guy sang or dedicated this song to you?
Actually, that song, ano ba? I was listening to that song, ano ba, a few weeks before I entered PBB. So, and for some reason, it was the only song I remember inside PBB.
So wala siyang...
Wala siyang special someone.
Okay.
No. And I really love it when Jason sings it.
The past, wala ka namang past naalala?
Actually, yun yung
Wala talaga.
going out days ko eh. Yan, sa roof, nagme-makeup. Yun yung song na lagi nagpa-play.
Okay, we're back. Fourth question is galing kay Angeli Kilinderino. Kung bibigyan ka ng movie ng ABS-CBN management, sinong hang actor ang gusto mong maging ka-lab team? At bakit?
Hang actor. Sino ba mga hang? Hi! So, mga trabaho si Samuel B. Pwede. Kasi, maybe, because we're both from PBB. Ay, alam niyo ba ito? We're both from PBB. We both entered in the middle of the show. We both stayed there for 7 weeks. And, sorry, sabi lang ito ng sister ko, Sam Pinto and Sam Milby. Milby is 5 din.
Sam is meant to be.
No. Napag-usapan mo namin ni Sam yun. And, we've been friends before PBB ka. So there, parang iba naman.
The next question galing kay Jerilyn Dalida. We know na may agimat ka with Jay Cuenca. Ask ko lang kung may kissing scene na ba dito sa agimat mo.
Oh, ayan. You should watch to know.
You should watch daw. Abangan ninyo. Para may thrill, diba?
Tama.
Brad Jason Silang. We noticed from your tweets about eating some sushi, sashimi, and more. In short, you're eating Japanese food. Question ko, if how did it start?
How did it start? Actually, I have no idea. For some reason, gusto ko lang, may days na gusto kong kumain ng sashimi. And for some reason, not almost every day, most of the time. I don't know.
Claudine Custodio. What makes you happy aside for having samistas and material things?
Wow! What makes me happy? Actually, little things make me happy. Ano ba? Just being with the people I love. Baduy naman. Pero totoo. I'm the type of person na hindi masyado material. Parang, masaya nga to get new things, to get expensive things, but I don't know, it's really not my thing.
Sa tingin mo, anong meron sa'yo at bakit napakadami nagmamahal at sumusuporta sa'yo?
Kailangan ko ba sabihin sa nila? Oo. You know what? I have no idea. Maybe... Oo nga.
Nasagutin nila.
Nani, come here.
Miss President.
Special guest po tayo sa ating Nani.
Sa tingin mo, Nani, anong meron si Sam kung bakit napakadami nagmamahal sa kanya at sumusuporta?
Actually, di ba, si Sam, obvious naman pretty inside and out. Di ba, walang bola. Hindi nga, kasi napaka-down to earth niya. Tissue! Saka nag-reach out sa mga fans niya. Yun yung talagang nakakatouch talaga. Tama! Kaya,
Hindi lang, kumbaga, konti lang tayo, tapos parami tayo ng parami. Kaya, ayun. Kaya, love namin sila. Wow! Diba? Yes,
If fate would have it, would you fall in love with the same man twice? If yes, what would be the reason? And if no, what also would be the reason?
Actually, it's possible naman. Why not, right? If we're really meant to be, then we're really meant to be.
Diba? So, you believe in destiny or?
Ay, pwede. Why not? Yeah.
Galing kay Precious Claire Sumera Mamaril. How do you see yourself 10 years from now? We all know na sa industry na to walang permanent. So if ever the time comes na you're done in show business, all stuff, are you still willing to be with Samistas and grand get-togethers?
Okay, first question.
How do you see yourself
In 10 years from now, if I'm not in the showbiz na, no?
Yes.
Probably I'll be a fashion designer. Because before, yun talaga yung focus ng buhay ko, to be a fashion designer. So if ever I'm not in the showbiz na, I'll probably continue that. Next is...
So if ever the time comes na you're done na in show business,
and stuff.
willing ka pa rin ba makapag-banding sa mga Samistas or concentrate ka na lang sa...
Yeah, of course naman. Why not? If they're still there. Yeah, of course.
Galing kay Giselle Gamos. What do you think would be the hardest thing for you to give up on?
Actually, it's hard to give up on... I can't do what I used to do anymore. Like, now that I'm a public figure, parang it's so hard to be private. You know, hirap lang. Minsan kasi, you know naman, you wanna do some stuff na di alam naman ng buong mundo. Right? That sounds so bad. But, I mean, little stuff lang.
Ito, next question is galing sa akin.
Wait, edit mo yung last one.
You keep saying that you dream to be a rock star someday. Do you think you have what it takes and why?
Of course, I do. I always say I want to be a rock star because, you know, naman rock stars, the difference between rock stars and artistas is that rock stars, sila yun eh. They show the world who they are. They don't have to be anyone else themselves. The thing with artistas is that they pretend to be someone. I mean, they play a character all the time, right? So, ewan. Parang ayaw lang sa akin ng rockstar world though.
You are an inspiration and a role model to many fans. What would you want to say to them?
Wow. First of all, I would like to say thank you very much for being there for me. I can't believe I inspire you. Ano ba ba? Inspire and be a role model. Hopefully, that won't change. And then, thank you very much that you look up to me. Feeling. Pero seriously, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sam.